Thank you. How are you doing? Is he from military?
Ja. De T-rods, luchtschutsen.
A bag. This is from John for you.
Oh, thank you very much.
You have to open it now,
Oh,
so
thank
we
you.
and some syringes. Let's see. Did I give you?
It's a message from you.
From Dennis. For Dennis from John.
Can I read it after?
Yeah, you can read it after, but there's some things in there we want to... Oh, so you have to look at this.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, here, look. No. Wait. Here, look.
Oh! Thank you very much.
That's John. It's for John, from John.
Let's see.
Thank you, I really appreciate it. Yeah.
Did you get everything you needed?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, good.
I don't need what to say. I don't know what to say. Thank you very much.
Well, thank John and Randy.
Yeah.
They're the ones who packed it all up, and we just are the couriers.
Do I need to send a message to John? Thank you very much for your help, for really really need this. So thank you. To help our warriors, to help militants, to help civilians. So thank you. You really do more for us than you can. Thank you.
Okay.